Business English for Finance. Since the business English teacher is not a specialist of finance and accounting, so the aim of teaching business English to students of finance and accounting should be to develop the language knowledge of the learners and to provide them good communication skills for handling communication and language issues which are related to their particular professional matters. So the aim is to develop language knowledge within the context of general business and financial topics, to develop professional communication skills within the context of general business and financial topics, to develop specialist language knowledge within the context of specialist financial topics, and to develop professional communication skills within the context of specialist financial topics. So accounting is basically collecting the record of a company's financial activities, and it covers the costs, annual financial reports, income statement, balance sheet, and statement of changes in equity. So the business English learner needs to be familiar with the basic principles of accounting, like keeping track of all the transactions of the company, including credits and debits, flow of funds, and in and out funding, and bookkeeping. So managers and investors depend on accounting to give them objective and reliable information about the companies they deal with. For example, in accounting profession, which is crucial for businesses, and for this, good communication skills are required. So the vocabulary which would be needed for the finance business English students would be balance sheets, assets, liability, profit and debt, loss, gross, net, profit margin, and pre-tax. So the topics would be related to the areas of finance, and activities can be devised for it, which could include role plays, presentations, and simulations, and practice and feedback should be used after these activities to make the learners more proficient in the target language. The vocabulary which needs to be covered for finance and accounting would again be specialist to specialist vocabulary, specialist to non-specialist vocabulary, and journalist to journalist vocabulary. As shown here in this screenshot, we can see the general vocabulary which needs to be covered for the business English learner of accounts and finance. Also, common collocations can be used which commonly occur in the finance and accounts documents. For example, collocations like run at a loss, profit and loss statements. These can be used to devise various activities for learners. Also using financial corpora, which is easily accessible on the internet, that can be used to devise further activities for learners who are doing their business English in finance and accounts.